What's happening, Star Gang? Them parts done came in.
Okay. Turn me up a little bit.
Alright, YouTube, we're back for part number 5 of the UDS build. I got something in the mail today. It's from Lava Lock. I got the parts for my UDS, so I want to bring you guys in with me so while I open it up and take a look at it. There's a couple of pieces that I ordered to have me finish the build. The first item that I got is my heat diffuser, which I think is paramount when you're cooking with a UDS. I've seen this thing on the website, and it's
UDSparts.com.
It's going to last a good long time. But yeah, the heat diffuser, they say with these right here, you can bend these up or more to allow more heat flow. They said it comes already designed to maintain 250, and that's going to yet to be seen. But yeah, this is the first piece of equipment that I got. It's my fire dial. Impressed about that. More stuff. Here I got my handles. I got 3 handles. And I chose to go with the cheaper handles. One of these handles are going to be for the top, and the other 2 handles are going to be for the side if I ever have to pick it up or do something with it. So I got 3 handles. Nothing too special about it. Let's open them up. They come with hardware. Just going to open it up, take a look at it. Just like your typical galvanized handle. Nothing special. Now on the website, you can get some fancy handles. And I think when I make because I am going to make another UDS, I think I may
www.meatstallbarbecue.com
or better pieces, I should say, for the thing. But yeah, I got 3 handles. Set these to the side. I think this is my thermometer. Let's take a look inside. I think I ordered a thermometer as well. Nothing special. It's got the black thermometer. Goes up to 800 degrees. If you're cooking at 800 degrees, you're in trouble anyhow. So, got me a thermometer for the front. Set this over here. Now we're about to get in what we came here for. Got me a charcoal grate. This is the 1440 charcoal grate. I think it can hold up to probably about maybe 10, 15 pounds of charcoal. I'm pretty excited about this thing. It feels real sturdy. It comes with a removable charcoal grate. And you can see how thick that thing is. That thing is gonna last for a while. This thing is really well constructed. It comes with the ash catcher as well, which I like. And another thing, the reason why I got this one here is because on the website,
UDSparts.com.
you can get a heat shield, and also you can get one of these. But I'm inclined to think that since this right here is whole, it doesn't have any holes in it, it can serve as its own heat shield. I'll let you know how that turns out. One last thing, I opted to get the hook to go on the back of the lid and not get the hinge. Can't wait to put this thing together. That's everything that I'm waiting on. So the next thing that I'm gonna be doing to the UDS is I'm gonna take all the parts off. I'm gonna go through, wipe everything down with alcohol. I got me 2 cans of high gloss enamel. The high gloss enamel, I'm gonna spray everything up, have everything pretty. I'm gonna put this thing together, and then we're gonna go on the maiden voyage. All right, just my parts that I got. It's been the Meat Stall. Find you some meat and smoke it.
Okay. Turn me up a little bit.